right in queue. Market open coming up on your screens. We've got the first rates, 23,536. It's in the red as the pre-open was showing. 15 points low. Nothing major. Bank Nifty is down about 0.25%, so that's a bit more. That's about 100 points. 50,048 or so on the Nifty Bank. Advanced decline is positive, but again, I mean, it's more mixed, really. IT index is up about 0.25% sectorally speaking. The Nifty at about 23,500 now. So that's a 100-point cut now. So 0.25%, that's in line with what the Nifty Bank is opening up as so this morning. So that's essentially the overall picture, at least at the index level. The heat map should come up on your screen. It'll give you a sense of how we're likely to start. And at least on the Nifty, how many up and how many down in a bit. But let's get straight down to stocks. Survi.
Yeah, and before the Nifty stocks, Prashant, just if we can bring up Zaggle once. I think on my screen at least it's showing down 10%. Let's see what the traded rate is. Yeah, Zaggle's down 10%. One of the reasons could be that, the operating expenditure has gone up 70% and the market cannot ignore these kind of things. And the margin has come under pressure quarter on quarter, year on year, the margin compression, even the adjusted EBITDA margin is down over 200 basis points. And all things put together, the new logos are great, the top line growth is great, but margin is falling and OPEX is up 70%. The market doesn't like it. That's the sum and substance of it. And the other stock that we mentioned, V8, of course, is doing really well, about 11% up. On the Nifty, the cut is now 80 whole points. So let's see what's taking it down. Some of the global-facing stocks are nervous with all this tariff talk happening. JSW Steel, Tata Steel, all of them are on the lower side for the starting point at least. There's Cipla, there's Hindalco on the lower side, there's NTPC, there's Dr. Reddy's. The Bank Nifty is not offering much support. We saw that on Friday as well. I mean, all excitement on that 25 basis points rate cut completely fizzled out, didn't take the market anywhere. HDFC Bank is on the lower side to begin with. Let's see where ICICI and SBI are. Also lower, about 0.25%. State Bank is the one that's an exception. It's up about 0.5%. Reliance is the other big stock that's taking the market down. There's Maruti, there's Nestle. There's a lot in the mix on the downside. In fact, on the upside on the Nifty, BEL and M&M, which is sort of great performance, and we'll be speaking to the management soon. That's the one that's up. And there's maybe Britannia and iShares. But apart from that, only 3-4 positive names on the Nifty. Otherwise, some pressure.
Well, that's right. And from the broader market, just a couple of stocks. Reliance Infra, the stock is up close to 5%. They announced that settlement with the CPL of around 6,500 crores. I think it could be a book entry. For the time being, though, that one is up close to 5%, and it was up close to around 6-7% even on Friday. So that's one of the top volume movers. On the flip side, actually, we have Jyoti Structures that's down close to 15%. So that's one of the top volume movers. SCI is down close to 5.5%. Ola Electric posts its numbers. That stock as well is lower. And the other one we pointed out earlier today was ITC Hotels. Massive volumes last couple of sessions. Got exited from the Sensex as well as the Nifty. Well, for the time being, volumes very, very high on that one. The stock is up only 1%, but volumes very, very high for the first minute of trade.
All right.